If you break into the house, I shoot you. If you stay on my property, I call the police.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
You can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Clear your door. Yeah, I do apologize. I was just talking to Mr. Bryan.
No, thank you. Have a good night, and I wish you luck. Okay?
It's not about this, I promise you. I was just talking about...
If you're having trouble with people stealing your mail, look into a locked box.
Can I help you? Were you just at my door? You were, because my doorbell caught you.
Not sure what these guys got going on. Maybe this is a new way to break in.
Don't fucking thing again.
I'll call the cops.
I'm just wondering where this goes.
I don't care. Leave.
Okay. Alright, bye.
Fuck off.
Oh.
I hope he's here. I ain't seen him in so long.
Something telling me this guy didn't have the best intentions. Who is he?
Hello?
Oh, he at work.
Hello?
Man, is he here?
Who?
The light-skinned brother. Guess he ain't
No,
here.
ain't nobody here. Who you looking for? What you mean? This is the owner of the house. What you mean?
You have to stay there. That's okay.
There sure was a lot of candy thefts this year. A lot of people complaining about their bowls.
Leave it, please. Hello? Hey. Help you? Can I help you? All right. Please don't come on the property. It's being monitored. Thanks.
Yo, what the fuck you doing in my yard?
No, we just came back from the outside.
Huh? What? Yo! What, niggas? Next time I put 2 3.
Oh, baby, damn.
Scary situation here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Was she drunk or scared? I don't think she was drunk either. If you're going through anything like this, get away as soon as possible.
But I got it, cousin, all right?
No.
All right. Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Bro, put that down. Bro, just stole a package. This motherfucker. Piece of shit.
I feel Hey, alright. You want some start being back. I'm gonna be personal. Injected in the new.
Hello? Go, 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 go!
No. A bunch of teenagers just ran off with the entire thing.
Risking my life all day, every day for nothing. Motherfuckers gonna stop sexual harassing me, all type of shit. Your sister, Sino, everybody, fam. All the people he know. And I don't fuck with none of them, don't know nobody out here, fam. Man, it's just getting annoying and tired. I already gotta talk to an investigator about this shit. Fuck the record. I'm steady on talk to somebody. I'm pressing charges, bitch. Somebody wanna be the fuck out here? Around dirty ass motherfuckers? Hell no, I can't handle it, and I don't want to, and I shouldn't have to. Bitch. Fuck you mean?
Strange guy talking about some. The dogs told him to meet him here.
Yo, what's up? Yo. What's up? What do you need?
I was told by the animals to meet you here.
What?
The dogs, they said meet you here.
What did you say? I'm calling the cops right now. Yeah, I'm calling the cops right now. You're not supposed to be there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I got your face now. They're gonna be following you. You know what? I'm gonna step out.
Okay, thank you.
Leave now.
Cocopellis, 2 Cocopellis.
Leave the fuck now.
Here,
What?
if I had what?
I'm so sorry. The audio is cutting out.
Okay, well, there's no reason for you to be here at before 6 o'clock in the morning. There's no reason for you to be here at 8 in the morning.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's early in the morning, so I'll never mind. I'm sorry to bother you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, you need to leave.
Okay, I'll leave.
It's either that or if you break into the house, I shoot you. If you stay on my property, I call the police.
I said I'll leave.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for stopping.
Is Anthony and Brock here?
Huh?
Anthony and Brock here?
Pardon?
Anthony and Brock? They don't live here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Another strange guy comes onto the porch talking a bunch of gibberish,
Hello.
bunch of nonsense,
It's you?
really.
For real, could it be? Is you, love? Huh? Behind the tree right there? That's you, love. Fuck yes, you.
Can I help you?
You talking to me? I'm trying. Fuck you doing, bro?
Dame candy, your money. Trick or treat, Halloween. Yes or no, money? Oh, candy. Happy Halloween.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
How can I help you? Un coñito mirando acá.
Oh, jeez.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.